I want this. Hey, Rod. These aren't even the size of my fingernail. Oh my gosh, look at all those turtles. Oh my goodness.
Better be from.
I know.
Pattern on them. Yeah. That's what's really amazing about this fish.
Look at the size of that shark egg. The size of my hand.
Oh, the tanks are here.
Oh, the PC Aquatic tanks are here.
We gotta go.
Oh my goodness. I've made it. This is Predatory Fins. If you remember, Predatory Fins was a store out in Florida, now has moved all the way to New York. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. This place is massive. It's a big upgrade from their last building, and there's a lot going on inside. I just found $1. That's good luck, is it not? I feel like it's pretty good luck.
What's up, bro?
How are you, Rod?
I'm doing good,
It's
Paul.
good to see you, man.
How you doing?
I got here. That's all that matters. I'm happy to be here. We're in New York. Back at home. Hey, Kev. What's up, man?
What's up, man? How you been?
How are you?
Good.
Dude, this place looks crazy.
Shaved.
Well, lots of boxes over here. There's a lot going on in here,
Yes,
right?
dude. We're hoping to be done. What do you think? Wade said you think we're opening in October?
No.
Yeah.
I didn't say that. I think we'll be lucky if it's at the end of the year.
Yes.
That's lucky.
There's still a lot to do. Like this front, the store is gonna be from that pole to the wall all the way this way. So this whole front side is gonna be the store. It's nothing done yet.
In the front, this is where there'll be like a big showroom, retail store up here. You guys will be able to come in, check it all out. But what we're gonna show you today, in the far back of this entire facility here, which, by the way, we're walking by thousands of gallons worth of water. Soon to be water, at least. I mean, look at the tank up here. I didn't even show them. Oh, dude, I forgot this. That's a nice whip right there, man. We have a big tank right here, right at the front door. I mean, how do I walk past this and not say anything? This is like, what, 2-inch acrylic? That is crazy thick. And then over here, another one. And you're getting rid of all these, right?
We were planning on selling them and then either getting something bigger or we might just set them up.
See what the layout is. We're gonna fit whatever we can fit, and whatever doesn't make sense, it's gonna go. But right now, I think this one is on the chopping block.
Since this is on the chopping block, if you guys think I should get this aquarium, smash the like button. 100,000 likes, I'll buy it.
I'm gonna be there.
There's another tank right here, another tank of some sort over there, and 2 big ponds over here. Over here, there's some stingrays, but let's focus on what's in the very far back through that wall.
So the idea here, Paul, is like this. This tank is gonna be set up here.
Yeah.
So you're right here, it's gonna be a 40-foot tank.
Yep.
Probably around 20,000 gallons. The big salt, freshwater tank that I had in Florida for their apartments is gonna go there in front of those offices.
Yep.
And then where Kevin is standing right there is gonna be a bunch of like 16-foot long tanks. So this is gonna be more like
tanks,
a showroom.
tanks, showroom.
Giant tanks.
Wow.
Tanks all around with like a community area in the middle. So
We have a lot going on. It's just everything, bro. Like even the filtration for this. You know, we're gonna have to put a drum filter like the one you have in Florida, movable media, and it has to be enough for all the fish that we're gonna put in here. Because that's why we came here, right? We wouldn't do this move if it's gonna be like
baby stuff. Well, this right here is exactly what we're showing you today. And let me tell you, there is a lot to show you. I'm gonna reverse out of this aisle. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. There's albino arowana, gourami, there is everything you could think of. I think we'll start here and then we'll work our way down to each aisle. Such beautiful stingrays. See, if I lived in New York, I can have anything I want. Florida has a lot of regulations because if I release this stingray outside in New York, when wintertime comes around, they're dead. In Florida, they will live and they'll thrive and probably breed and then eat native species, which is exactly why all this stuff is illegal in Florida. We'll get to this tank as well. Let's start on this side and work our way back. You're about to see a lot of fish. First tank that we come across is silver arowana. These silver arowanas are so cool. Y'all know I love my arowanas, but I somehow just can never get one to grow big enough without jumping out of an aquarium. I've locked them in before. It's like putting them prisoner in jail and they somehow escape. But these guys are really, really cool and they're probably about like 4 inches long. We're actually gonna be selling these on PC Aquatics once that goes live. It's supposed to be live this month. We're about a month behind. So by the end of August, PC Aquatics will be live. So just stay tuned. We're gonna have everything. Peacock bass on the site, which is the next aquarium down. bunch of little peacock bass. We'll have it all, and it all makes sense once I post the video. I'm not spoiling anything. PC Aquatics coming soon. Anyway, back to the video. These are tiger fish. These things are crazy. Jeremy Wade has caught monster of these, like big tiger fish. They're one of the most predatory fish out there. Got a bunch of little cichlid species, which are cool. If you guys like plecos, there's some really cool plecos here too. Oh my gosh, these aren't even the size of my fingernail. The camera doesn't do justice on how small these are. Look at that. Albino pleco. See, you know I caught 6 of these in a sewer yesterday?
Really?
Yeah.
It's crazy.
They've got some angelfish and some other really cool species in there. Right above, there is nothing. Water change getting done in this one right here. And right above, this is the big baby mama. This is a massive vampire, well, call them vampire fish, also known as pyara. But I want this. Hey, Rod. Why not?
No, that's mine, bro.
Why not?
There's
dude?
no way. I get your little one.
Little one's gonna get eaten in my pond. This is big enough.
That's my problem. I like it big.
Ah, dude, look at that thing. It's huge.
It's doing an exhibit, so I need animals like this.
You're right. He needs this for people to come in and see crazy. Oh my gosh, look at all those turtles. I can't show all this yet. I haven't made it over this far.
Ah.
I gotta work my way this way.
All right, keep walking then.
All right, I'm gonna go back. So if I touch this thing, I'm probably toast.
Yeah, you get shot. You're not gonna die, but you get shot.
That's an electric eel right there. Next to a flower horn. Big old flower horn. That's a big flower horn. Couple red Oscars. Look at the colors on those Oscars. I mean, they are red. That's indeed a fact. Little flower horn. Next to that is another flower horn. What's behind me? Oh my goodness, look at these Dorados. Look at all those Dorados. Oh my goodness, dude. I wish I can have one of these. There's a bunch of different frontosas in here and some other cool cichlids. There's a lot of like cichlids and other species that you guys may know of. As you can see, African cichlids, little angelfish, and then down in the corners, like tiny little microscopic plecos. Something really cool is these little baby alligator gar. These alligator gar are so small, and we were just in Texas 2 days ago catching these full grown, 80 years old. Isn't that crazy? I think it's 3 or 4 times our age. So they literally go from that to this, right here. Look at how tiny. They are so cool. And you can see that they're alligator gar because they got that fat body, that big old face. Crazy. FWC is lame. They literally don't let us keep anything cool. Everything cool is banned in Florida. Hence why Predatory Fins, Rodrigo, made the move from Florida up to New York. Everything's legal here. I have never seen these in my entire life. I have no idea what those are. Big old Titan plecos. I believe those are Titan plecos. They are very large. And those are just babies if they're Titans. They get big. Tommy the Puffer, is that you? We had a tank full of datnoids. They're all hiding. These look just like the Raphael catfish, but they're called Irwini. Irwini. What are those? These little humpbacks. What the heck? What is that?
We call them mini Kevins.
Mini Kevins?
Yeah, because of the head.
Right down beneath, we have a bunch of knife fish kind of mixed in with some peacocks in there and some other catfish. What kind of catfish are these, Rod?
Those are an albino catfish from Brazil. They'll get like 12 inches. They don't get that big. They look pretty cool. Now, I want to ask you, what is this?
Oh,
no,
dude.
I wish you could film your face.
Platinum archerfish.
Come on, bro. That's
crazy. That is crazy.
It is. That's part of the exhibit.
How much are those?
You don't want to know.
Not for sale?
They are. They're like 700 or 800.
He's got all sorts of the craziest species you could think of. Oh, look at it. On to the next, we have some tiger shovel nose. And then right above, some redtails, some baby redtails. This is something you definitely don't see in Florida. What is that, tarpon?
Atlantic tarpon.
We got some Atlantic tarpon here. They look like little tiny shiners. But these guys get huge. These ones are the big old tarpon species.
I like the way you said huge.
Oh gosh, it's like having another Brenton around. Look at these marble decara, which they're actually really hyper. These things are gassed up. Cervini jorfagus. Some crazy species of cichlid, I'm assuming. They're very cool. It's a good sand cleaner right there, boys and girls. Never seen this species either. No idea what that is.
These guys are bumblebee barbs from Asia.
Bumblebee barbs.
Yeah, but they're still in quarantine. We're medicating this tank.
We got some giant gouramis here. These guys will get massive. You guys have seen how big the gouramis can get. I've got an albino one inside my pond at home. And guys, there's a lot of fish to be bought. Keep in mind, PC Aquatics is opening up soon, so if you want to wait, that's cool. But if you guys are interested in buying any fish from this video, all of it's for sale on predatoryfins.com, and I'm gonna give you a discount code right now. I haven't even got it from Rodrigo. Hey Rod, can we get a 10% off code?
Yeah, BC
10. Predatoryfins.com. It's linked down below. PC10, you get 10% off. I got you guys. Always try to, at least.
Are you gonna spend more money today or what?
Me?
Yeah, like.
No.
What do you mean no?
I'm not spending anything.
Go ahead and try that BC10, see if it works.
Speaking about bigger tarpon, check these out.
These are the Indo
These are the Indo. They
Those
don't get as big as the other ones.
Right.
Yeah. Hey. Indo tarpon, they stay a little bit smaller, but they always have that bigger eyeball. Their eyes huge. A tank full of Tommy puffers. What is that right there?
That's an Australian lungfish.
Australian lungfish?
Yeah. So these guys and him are gonna go to the exhibit.
So all three of these are going to the front?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah. And right here we got some bigger clown loaches.
Look at that. I mean, they're doing a water change in this one too right now, but these clown loaches are huge. Absolutely massive. They're probably literally the size of my hand. There's the archer fish that's not platinum. Hybrids. This is Beast. We have Beast, our catfish at home, that's very, very large. This is what he is. And I actually got Beast from you, I think, a while back.
You better be from
I know. I got scared there for a second, dude. You're too big to be scaring me like that. I was about to run home, back to Florida. What's next, Rod?
I didn't expect you to have that reaction.
Dude, I was scared, man.
Better be from
I know. Hold up. Wait a minute. How much?
Sold.
Oh my gosh, everything's sold here. Hey, look at the big alligator gar. A little bit larger of an alligator gar.
You want that one? Oh, sorry, wait, you can't have it. It's in Florida.
You know what? You, man. Some big old breeders. These are the big old mama breeders.
Look at that.
Wow, look at that. Oh my goodness, bro. I don't think people understand how big these are.
Yo, imagine them in a
gosh.
giant tank.
Oh my god, dude. It's gonna be so crazy when he gets these show tanks set up. Big old fly mama. There's a big fly river right here.
This is Richard.
Richard?
Yeah, we got
That's my middle name.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Richard is going to be at the exhibit as well, just not in the same tank as Sheila because Sheila will beat him off.
Now we're about to get into the juicy stuff, Cuffaros. This is gonna get pretty freaking gnarly. We've got some really cool stuff to show you. Lots of stingrays that Rodrigo will do a fantastic job explaining what the heck they are. And I'm gonna start off with, hey guys, look at these albino soft shells. They are very, very cool. Look at that. You know, at least these aren't getting eaten. A lot of times when you see soft shells, they're at like a food market. All right, give us a rundown, Kevin. What kind of stingrays are we looking at?
All right, we got flower rays.
Okay, but
Flower rays.
And I find that there's no one really out there captive breeding flower rays. So we took on this project, right, flower rays. Did you show them the tiger rays?
Couldn't see it because
Couldn't see it. Okay, we're also taking on captive breeding tiger rays. So
You're making a flower and a tiger mix.
eventually, I probably will do that too.
Oh yeah,
Why not?
but you know, right now they don't look like much. But
Yeah.
these things are beautiful, bro.
Yeah, they get that light pattern you see now turns like a golden pattern, and they'll have a black base. You kind of
You can kind of see it. Yeah.
So when they get bigger, that's that. All right.
Now, our probably most exciting project is right here. Right?
Our newest and most exciting project, yes, is this one. These are the leopard whiptail rays, right? Yeah.
Leopard whiptail rays.
Now, I think you guys can figure out why it's called leopard whiptail.
Yeah, I mean, I think I gotta go
Run
to
around
the other side. Yeah, they're sitting on the other side here, guys. Leopard whiptail rays. Look at this. I mean, are you kidding me? Look how long the tail is.
Pattern on them.
Yeah.
That's what's really amazing about this fish.
They got the gold and purple.
Yep.
So that's a very sought after stingray, huh?
Yes, it is. This is the first time I've ever seen it. First time we've ever gotten it. Up here, these are pearl stingrays.
Some pearls.
They are called albino pearl hets, which means they carry the albino gene.
Oh yeah. On to some fish here. We got some arowanas, albino arowanas. Right down beneath that, we got some more stingrays. These are some black diamonds, right?
Yes, they're all black diamonds, but you see there's a variation in the pattern.
Yeah, so what makes one black diamond, because these are all black diamonds, what makes one black diamond super dark and the other one light like that?
It just comes with the age and their genetics. Some will turn darker sooner, okay, but typically babies are always a lighter color and they get darker and darker with age. So you'll never see a big black diamond that's grayed out like this. They'll eventually all turn black. So it's just different stages of development.
Okay. And there's some more down there, and I wish I can get these, but unfortunately, like we've been saying this whole video, they're illegal in Florida. Now we're into some sauce here, boys and girls. What is that?
We're getting into what's called the golden albino pearl ray. It's golden based. It's different from the previous type of albino rays. These have, look, if you look at the eye, get in there, it's like yellow golden color.
Yeah.
Where the previous types of pearls, it kind of was like a more darker eye, and their base color was like reddish. Yes. Oh, the tanks are here.
Oh, the PC Aquatic tanks are here.
We gotta go.
Oh my goodness. Look at that shot from above. I mean, those are pretty stingrays.
Before we cut it off, one more albino black diamond hybrids right there.
And we love these.
Yeah, this guy right there.
Wow. Albino black diamond hybrid.
All right, we got to go get the tanks. You ready?
Let's do it. We're taking delivery of PC Aquatics tanks, Cuffaros. 24 glass aquariums being delivered here at Predatory Fins for the PC Aquatics brand, which is what we're about to release next month. You guys better be ready. I'm telling you, it's gonna be awesome. I'm just gonna show a little bit of these things coming in, but otherwise, it'll be a whole video to itself where you guys will be able to then purchase stuff off my website eventually. Right now, we're just getting deliveries for stuff. There's all the PC tanks right there. All right, let's continue on the tour, Cuffaros. There's more and more stingrays down this entire row. This is more of like Kevin's side of the shop right here. Kevin does all the stingray. And look at this. There's a shark. This is a zebra shark. Hey, buddy. What's up, dude? That right there is a zebra shark. There's another shark in there with him. See him over there? Actually, the person that Rodrigo bought that zebra shark from has another one, and he said he's holding it for me in my pond, my saltwater pond. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below if I should get a zebra shark or not. Looks like there's a big shark egg in here too. Look at the size of that shark egg. The size of my hand. Big old Temensis peacock bass. Looks like to be albino pacu arowana. There's the albino arowana. There's a lot in there. That is a full tour of the behind the scenes, what goes down at Predatory Fins. Me and Rodrigo have been very close friends for a very, very long time, and since he's bought this building, he's taken his business to a whole nother level, reinvesting pretty much everything he makes back into this to create the coolest, most crazy experience for you to come visit in the next couple of years. I shouldn't even say next couple of years, next year. By 2024, y'all will be able to come and see the very front of this shop fully decked out with monster fish tanks. It'll be one of the coolest aquariums to ever come and visit. It's located right here in Long Island, New York, exactly where I was actually born, which is crazy. Don't want to miss these. A bunch of paddlefish. Look at those big old faces, spoonbill. And if you're wondering why there's forks at the bottom of the pond, that's because these plecos right here, they eat cucumbers, and in order to get the cucumber to sink to the bottom, they have to stick a fork in it and then sink the cucumber so the plecos could suck on it. That's why there's a fork at the bottom of the pond. I'm out of breath. A lot of tanks got delivered. We did a whole video of literally everything in the back of Predatory Fins. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure, do me a favor, smash the like button, especially if you want to see me get that fish tank early on in the video. Subscribe down below if you're new. Make sure to turn your bell on so you don't miss any future videos coming up. We're gonna feed everything in here in one of our next videos. Don't miss it. See you there. Peace.